In this video, we'll show you how to define a current transformer at manager room of ALLINA T1. To perform a test for any equipment, it is necessary to first define the equipment. In this case, a current transformer, or CT. To do this, you can use either the LCD screen on the device or the web-based software. Go to the Manager section. Here, start by setting up the location and feeder. Then, under the Device section, click Add a new device. Now, let's configure the CT. In the device form, select the type of equipment you're testing. Choose Current Transformer, and fields will appear based on the nameplate information of the CT. Some fields are mandatory. Look for the red star. For example, you'll need to assign a name for the device. You can also add details like the manufacturer, manufacturing year, and the serial number. Next, specify the phase where the CT is installed, and the number of cores it has. For the CT shown in our example, there are 4 cores. Then, choose the core class. Here, cores 1 and 2 are TPY, according to the nameplate. Here, you should enter the rated burden resistance. For this CT, it's 3 ohms. The remaining fields should also be filled based on the nameplate. For example, the specified values in this section should be entered according to the COCO information provided on the nameplate. Continue by defining each tap, including its primary and secondary current ratings. Repeat these steps for all the cores. When you've entered all the details, click Add to save them. You can also save this configuration as a template by clicking on Save as Template. This allows you to import the details for similar CTs, which saves time.